Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to this week's Locksport update. This is a really fun video series that I run every single Saturday, which serves as a great place for me to update the community on everything that I've been working on, and it also serves as a great place for the community to share anything that they have been working on. As always, if you have any updates that you would like to see shared, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'd love to share them next week. I just want to first start off by saying that I'm posting this week's Locksport update a day late. Typically I do it on every Saturday, but it was quite a busy week and I'm just happy to be able to get it up now. I have been having a lot of fun just trying to spend some time with the family and also being done with my school semester. I'm so glad that that is behind me. And also I have finally gotten my computer together. What happened was I needed to flash the BIOS before the CPU would be recognized, and that was a little bit of a process, but that is fixed as well. And I do want to ask everyone, for my video on Wednesday, what would you like to see? Would you like to see another Leashy video? Or would you like to see one of my lockpicking homeschool videos that I've been working on? If you have an opinion of that at all, what I'm going to do is I'll put a little link on the top here where you can vote and you can cast your vote and I'll see what everyone thinks. That'll be really cool to see what everyone would like to see, and I'd like to try to put that out for everyone next Wednesday. But either way, I have a few updates I'd like to share with you. The first is going to be a very small channel that was shared with me by Lockmania. The channel that he shared is Paddy Locke. Paddy Locke is a small channel with about 30 subscribers. And what I'm going to do is share a very quick clip of his channel so you can check him out.
So, probably last one for this year, considering it's it's the 22nd. We've got Christmas around the corner, hence why we have company. Little Santa is here, and I thought I'll do something different this time around. I thought I'll just go through what I do when I do security pins for challenge logs and stuff like that.
Thank you so much for checking out Paddy Locke. If you enjoyed what you saw and would like to see more videos by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. Every subscription makes such a big difference. I just want to say thank you to everyone that always helps support all of the smaller channels. It really helps our community grow as a whole, and it's just a really great thing to do. The next thing I'd like to share is Lockpicking Newbie again. Lockpicking Newbie mentioned that he's going to be working towards his purple belt. He's going to be trying to pick some medical locks, and I just want to give him some encouragement, and that's going to be a very fun process to learn. Medical locks take a lot of time to learn. I am not terribly great at them, but I can get them open, but I can certainly understand the frustration when you're first starting to learn them. I think that Drowken, who's also known as Lockfall on YouTube, has done a really great demonstration video, and also Developer has done a great demonstration video as well, if anyone would ever like to check those out. But if you'd like to check out Lockpicking Newbie, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing and help support him. The next one I'm going to share is going to be Dark Arts Lockpicking. Dark Arts Lockpicking has a very good news and also a sort of a sadder news. The good news, which we're going to start off with, is his channel has just reached over 1,000 subscribers. I just want to say that is so awesome. I just want to say thank you to everyone that helps support him. He's always making great videos, and he's also helping teach the community how to get better in Locksport. But what I'm going to do now is share the bad news, and who else is better to share it than Dark Art Lockpicking himself.
G'day guys, how are we all? Hope we're all doing well, picking some blocks and keeping it bloody legal. And as you know, today is Sunday here, and usually I do the Sunday beginner series, and just happens to be my B-day as well. But I don't know if I'll be able to do any videos for a little bit. So let me get this flipped around for you. Think that should work. Should be recording. Yep. Alright, so as you can probably see, if I can lift it, I now have my hand in a cast.
Thank you so much for checking out Dark Art's Lockpicking. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. I really hope you heal up soon, and it's really sad to see that happen to you right before the holidays and also on your birthday. You can certainly still make some type of content with a cast on your arm. It's not going to be easy, but it could be done. But either way, you know, we'll all be here. We'll be looking forward for you to come back and just concentrate on healing yourself up and trying to just have a better time with your recovery. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. If you have anything that you would like to see shared next week, please drop it in the comment section below. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below as well. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, just thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next Saturday.